Biryani is a popular South Asian mixed rice dish made with a combination of basmati rice, meat or vegetables, and a blend of spices. Here's a simple recipe to make a delicious biryani. Ingredients: 1 cup basmati rice, 1 pound meat, chicken, beef, lamb, or vegetables, 2 medium onions, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon ghee or oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, 2 cups water, chopped fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions. 1. Prepare the rice. Rinse the rice and soak it in water for 30 minutes. Drain and set aside. 1. Cook the meat. In a large pan, heat the ghee or oil over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds and coriander seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. Add the chopped onions, garlic, and ginger and sauté until the onions are translucent. Add the meat and cook until it is browned and cooked through. 1. Add the spices. Add the turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala powder to the pan and stir well. 1. Cook the rice. In a separate pot, combine the drained rice and 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer for 15-20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and fluffy. 1. Layer the biryani. In a large, heavy-bottom pot or Dutch oven, create a layer of cooked rice. Add a layer of the meat mixture on top of the rice, followed by another layer of rice. Repeat this process until all the ingredients are used up, ending with a layer of rice on top. 1. Dum the biryani. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and cook over low heat for 10-15 minutes or until the flavors have melded together and the rice is heated through. 1.